Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokele. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please endeavor to watch this video to the end. Like it, share it, and drop your comment. Thumbs up for this video. I have 8 words on the board today that I want to transcribe and pronounce, okay? Most people pronounce these words wrongly. The truth is that no one is too grown or too small to learn. And what you don't know, you don't know. What I don't know, I may never know it if I don't learn it. Okay, so I'm going to transcribe these words, pronounce them, and you get to know the correct pronunciation. Thank you. Let's go. This is the first one. Crooked. Crooked, not crooked. Okay, you open your slash before transcribing anything. Your letter C changes to K. Close it. Look at this double O. We give you this one sound, O. Okay, this is this, producing this one, crooked. Crooked. And then the next one is sword, not sword. Sword, sword. Okay, let's go. This is all. That's all. Sword, sword, sword. Then the next one is gradually. Gradually, not gradually. Gradually, gradually. Okay, you open your slash. J. Gradually, gradually. Okay, not gradually, but gradually, gradually, gradually. Then the next one is soldier, not soldier. Soldier, soldier. Okay, let's go. Your S, then your L, L, then your J. That's it. Soldier, soldier, soldier. Then the next one is family. Family, not family. Family, my family. Okay, let's go. You open your slash. This shows that this one is silent, okay? Family, the A sound here is silent. Family, family, family. Then the next one is education, not education. Education, education. Okay. Open your slash. K, your letter C here, we change to K. K, shun. This one, we change to this sound, swimming as shun. Education. Ejo. This is education. 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 Then the next one is business. Business. Business, not business. 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 Then the next one is visited. Visited, not visited, but visited. Visited. the S changes to Z, okay? Then this third here that you call third is third. It changes to third, okay? This one here will give is A sound, okay? This is visited, visited. I pray, just try and practice them. No one is too big to learn new things. Thank you. Before I close this video, before I round off this video, I just want to bring in this, okay? I have actually done a video on round up and round off. I believe most people have not seen it. Okay, let me just bring in it. I was in a family end of the year party last week Saturday, and the MC was actually doing so well, was speaking good English. I love listening to people that can speak because I learn from them. I learn a lot. I love listening to people that can speak, okay? It helps me a lot. And this man is a learned man. He was speaking so well. But one thing, he couldn't differentiate. Maybe he doesn't know. Let me just bring in the word. Round up. Then round off. These two words are very correct, but different context. But he was using this round up for this. Instead of using this for the context he was referring to, he was using this. He was saying, oh, we are so sorry, very soon we'll be rounding up this program. You don't round up a program, you round off a program, okay? You round up thieves. You can say the policemen rounded up the thieves before they could escape. But concerning the context he was referring to, he was supposed to use this round off. You round off a church program, you round off your school program, you round off a session, you round off, whatever you are doing to close up whatever you are doing. But he was using this. Let's just learn. You round up things. Round up means to arrest, okay? Then round off means to close up, to bring to an end. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. God bless you.